like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Good morning, guys. We've got a little bit of snow, unfortunately. I don't know if this will make it into a video or not, but this is that daily vlog stuff that we're talking about. So first and foremost, go check out some merch, some stickers at khp5150.com. but otherwise, we are we have the truck running. It's 6 in the morning, and well, I think 6:45 now, but either way, we got the truck running. We're gonna go to U-Haul, try to grab a trailer. We're off to Kent, which is 5.5 hours away from the house, to buy another work vehicle to fix and flip. So we're gonna go ahead. I don't know how much of it we're gonna document. Cruiser's ready. He knows somehow deep down inside he's going somewhere. So let's just see what happens.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with
Alright guys, I'm trying to keep it short. We've got a Durango back there. I'm not sure you're gonna see it, but long story short, it's been a heck of a day. We did pick up one after a bunch of back and forth on trying to find a title and getting a quick title and all that jazz. So long story short, we should have been home probably about an hour ago at this point, and we're now just leaving. So I'm probably not going to film too much. There's a lot of snow and everything coming up our way. We're at the port. It is pretty out here. But right now that's about it, because we're cranky. No, it's just part of business and want to get home. So we will see you guys when we get there. We've got another Durango here. We've actually, as a matter of fact, we before we could even really take any more video of the other one, the red one, it's sold. This one has the same problem. We've got another one over there, so we clearly been busy, just not recording. This is a new motor that I shouldn't say new. We bought this motor from a guy running out of another vehicle. We've seen it run. It had low miles, had like 114 or 100, maybe it was 140, I can't remember, but low. It wasn't like 200,000. So this is gonna go in here. Josh is out here helping before he's got to go to work. We're gonna try to get this deal in and up for sale, and working on the other Durango. Again, same problem. We're gonna hope that the motor in that one runs a little better or is savable. We might be able to repair it, but we don't know until we check it out. So we're gonna start working, and we'll catch up with you guys here in a bit. Right now we gotta put the exhaust manifolds on and get everything hooked up. Josh is real thrilled. All right, well, we got the motor, I don't want to say in, but it is bolted up to the transmission. Josh is working currently on the starter, and then we got to work on the motor mounts, and then there's a pain in the butt brace, which is this deal that goes to the transfer case, or not transfer case, front diff, and that's got to go on. And then once those are bolted in, it's pretty simple after that. So just time consuming. So we're gonna keep going. Just figure give you guys a small little update, nothing exciting. And if you guys need a Durango, this is gonna be a good one. All right guys, I'm dirty. Josh went to work. I am pretty much gonna call for today. It's raining now. I got most of the stuff in. Still got to put coolant in it. Kind of still hook up the battery, which we're gonna try to move to the side here. Still got to fix the windshield wiper fluid deal, bolt down the wipers, Serpentine belt's on, everything's on. Pretty much ready to fire. Still got to do the converter bolts. We'll do that probably tomorrow. All right, guys, so we've got the Project Durango here. It's running nice and smooth. It's cold, warming up right now. We got the heated seats on. We replaced these plastics. Got to get this little tiny piece. As you guys seen, we replaced the motor. It'll be going up for sale. It's got brand new tires on this deal, some brand new Bridgestones, brand new battery, brand new brakes. Looking pretty good. This is the one we got from Kent. Honestly, good little rig. I like driving it. Runs real smooth. So other than it being dirty from all the rain, she's pretty much ready to rock. So again, if you guys are looking for a car, let us know. But in the short terms, this is what we do on a day-to-day to hopefully generate some money and some income to help build our race cars. Again, thank you for Josh, because he's doing a lot of this stuff out of the kindness of his heart, and hoping that one day this all goes somewhere, as we all believe it will. But for right now, this thing is a dream. Everything works and we're pretty happy. So now we just gotta wait for it to sell. We've already actually got a few people interested. We got the guys coming over from Wenatchee here pretty soon, so this season should be picking up. Race cars should be poking back out. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for next time, because we do got some big stuff planned. Check out khp5150.com and check out some merch, and keep it crazy, and we'll see you guys next time.
Worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.